Hello, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. My name still remains Agro Alexa Soki. Today we'll be looking into something very important that almost everybody, have been having issues with, and that's what we call BODMAS, the rule of BODMAS in mathematics. So I'll be breaking it down for you today, so that if you have been having difficulties with it after the lectures today, it will be simplified for you, and then you can be able to solve questions pertaining to BODMAS. So first of all, we are going to break down the meaning of BODMAS. BODMAS is spelled as BODMAS. B stands for bracket, as you can see on the board. O stands for order. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A is addition. And S is subtraction. I believe you know the signs already. This is the sign for division. This is the sign for multiplication. Addition is plus. Subtraction is minus. Then brackets is what we call the parenthesis. Then when you now talk of order, that's where most people have the confusion. When we were in primary school, they told us that O stands for off, but O cannot be off because off means multiplication, and there is no way we'll be having multiplication here as off and also have another multiplication down here. So O is standing for order, and order is where you have powers and roots. That's when you have something like 2 raised to power 2 or square root of 2. We talk about powers and roots in order. So I'll be taking just 3 examples to clarify us on how to solve this. Number 1, we have 2 plus 4 times 3. Number 1 question, 2 plus 4 times 3. Now, when we are going to solve, you have to follow this rule step by step, the way it is. The first thing we have here is brackets. But if you look at this question, there is no bracket here. So we skip brackets. The next one is order. Looking at this question, there is no order. That means we don't have any power and we don't have any roots. So we skip order. Next one is division. If you look at this question, there is no division. The next step is multiplication. Can we see multiplication here? Yes. So you leave the addition and simplify multiplication first because you can see multiplication in BODMAS before addition. So this now becomes 2 plus 4 times 3 is 12. Breaking it down, we can now add. After multiplication, the next step is addition. We add 2 plus 12 is 24. And that's our answer. You don't just solve from left to right, but you solve with the rule of BODMAS, because if you are solving from left to right, your answer will be wrong. Let me show you. When you do 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 times 3 is 18. You can see that this answer is wrong, it's something else. So you don't solve from left to right, you have to solve with the rule of BODMAS, multiplication first before you add. Then second one, 4 plus 8 divided by 2 times 4. Alright, in this question, from the rule of BODMAS, what are we going to simplify first? If you check, there is no bracket, there is no order. So we go straight to the next, which is division. Bring down everything, every other thing. Bring down your 4, bring down your plus. Then here we are dividing. 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. Then bring down times 4. The next step after division is multiplication. If you are multiplying, you bring down this 4, bring down your plus, then you can multiply this and this. 4 times 4 is 16. Then finally, we move over to addition. 4 plus 16 will give us 20. And that's the final answer. Then the last but not the least, we have 22 plus 3 in brackets divided by 5 times 2 raised to power 2 minus 4. First step, what are we going to do first? I think if you are smart enough, you should spot out what we are going to do first. From the rule of BODMAS that we have here, bracket comes first. Despite you are having addition inside the bracket, but we still have to simplify it first because it's enclosed in the bracket. So opening the bracket now, we add this 22 plus 3 will give us 25. Bring down 25, then other things comes down the same way they are, times 2 raised to power 2 minus 4. After bracket, what's the next? We have the order, which is power. You can see power here. This is power, 2 raised to power 2. We are going to break this down. Bring down 25 divided by, bring down 5 times, then take the power. 2 raised to power 2 means multiplying 2 times. That is 2 times 2, which will give us 4. And then you bring down minus 4. Next step is division. We have division here, so we are going to divide. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Bring down every other thing the same way they are, times 4 minus 4. Next step is multiplication. Multiply 5 and 4. 5 times 4 will give us 20. Then bring down minus 4. Next one is addition. But there is no addition in this question again. We don't have any addition again. We now go straight to subtraction, which will give us our final answer, 20 minus 4, and that is 16. So that's it. Very simple. Assignment. I'll give you just 2 questions to try. We'll try and resolve 2 plus 16 divided by 8. 2 plus 16 divided by 8, that's number 1. And number 2, we have 4 minus 2 times 8 plus 4. 4 minus 2 times 8 plus 4. Alright, this is your assignment. You drop your answer in the comment section. We will continue with some more difficult questions. This is the simplest part of BODMAS that we have. We still have some parts that are more complex. We'll look into that in our next class. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day, and subscribe. Try to click the subscription button, like and share, and wait for more uploads. Thank you.